Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how you can make $300 online every single month. If you are someone who likes staying at home, or if you are a student that is working from home, stay at home mom, stay at home dad, and or you are staying at home, you are not doing anything, you are always at home, you can make money with this method. So what you need to do is to watch these videos from the beginning to the end, and you are going to know or learn how you can make money by just staying at home. So all you just need to do, guys, like this video, share, leave me a comment, don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let us head over to this website that will allow us to make this money online. This is the website, which is called pickme.com. This website will allow you to make money by just delivering product to your neighbor or keeping product for your neighbor. So what you are doing is that you are working with delivering company, and those delivery company will notify you when they are coming to your area, and you pick the product for your neighbor. And when your neighbor arrive at home, or when you pick the product, you call your neighbor notifying them that you have picked their product, and they are going to tell you the time and where you people are going to meet. That is how it works. You are picking product for your neighbors and you are getting paid by doing that. So that is one thing that I want to let you know here. So one thing I want to let you know again is that it's very simple. The first thing you need to do is to download the application of this website, which is called pickme.com, and you can download the application on either on your Google Play Store or on your Apple Store. So choose either one of them that you have and download the application. Then to register is very, very simple. How to register? You have to enter your email account, enter your password, the address of the area where you live, and you are good to go. The next thing, you are going to enter your personal information, and you are going to enter your valid ID. So to validate your account, you need to upload your identity card or your passport. So that is the things that you need to validate your account. Once your account is verified, it will take 24 hours for them to verify your account. Once you are good, then you are good to start making money with this website. So after 24 hours, they are going to notify you if you are qualified to start making money with them. So how does it work? First, click on this area where it says relay neighbors, and you need to click on the area where it said become a keeper. So what you are doing is that you are keeping product for your neighbors and you are getting paid in return. So once you come, this is how the home page on the web look like. On the smartphone, it might not look in the same way. You can go and watch this video on YouTube if you want, or you can just rely on this my video that you are watching here. So the first step you have to do is to fill up your account like I have told you in the beginning. So download the pickme app and complete your registration in less than 2 minutes. Our team will validate your profile within 24 hours. And two, you are going to fill in your availability, which means the time that you are available. So here you will see recipient choose you to be their relay neighbor. You will receive a notification when a package is coming to your home soon. Once the delivering person hand you the package, simply scan it and contact the recipient to arrange an appointment and hand over the delivery. That is how it works. It's very simple. And number 4 is the money. So if you click here, you will see mission accomplished, and there you have it. You have done your neighbor a favor. Your kit is automatically credited, which means your money will be automatically credited into your account and you can use it to do whatsoever you want. That is how you make money with this website, which is called pickme.com. So what you need to do, go create your account and follow the process of what I just showed you, and that is how you will start making money with this website, which is called pickme.com. So I know you'll be wondering, how much can I make per each product that you receive? So when we scroll down here on the home page, you can see where you say I am a future keeper. So you will see at the bottom, when you put your mouse on here, you will see that you are going to make 40 cents per each product that you receive. You say this is the reward received by the keeper for each package you save. So every package you keep, you are going to be making 40 cents. So either they receive the product, they don't receive it, you are going to make that type of amount of money. And a month, you are going to be making almost like more than $300, but they are estimating $300 every single month. So that is how you can make this $300 every single month by keeping your neighbor product. So that is it, guys. I'm going to end this video from here. Only what I'm asking from you is to just like this video, share, leave me a comment about what you think about this video in the comment section. And one thing I want to let you know is that this website might not be available in all countries. So if it's not available in your own country, I'm sorry. I'll try my best to look for a website that will work in worldwide, and I'll still make video about it and show it to you guys. So I will say thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And again, don't forget to watch this video to learn how you can make money with affiliate program. I will see you on my next upcoming video. See you soon.